What's going on? How you guys doing? This is New Era Gardener, and I am back again. It's been a little while. I had a bunch of things going on. Had some family issues that we had to contend with. So this is the first video I'm making in a while, and this one is basically showing you guys what active biochar really looks like. Okay, we make our active biochar, and just to kind of talk about active biochar, you can activate biochar with anything, any type of minerals, whether it's a liquid mineral or what. It could be dry minerals, and it doesn't really take a long time, just as long as the biochar is sucking in those minerals that you're putting in, whether it's a liquid, whether it's powder minerals, compost, mixing it with compost, letting it sit for a little bit. But you really want to make sure that your biochar is actually sucking in those nutrients. So I got two different ones I'm going to show you. This one I got here, this is fine. And it's pretty much half empty, so I don't know how you're going to see it, but hopefully the camera does pick it up. But this is my fine biochar. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but you can see all the fungi and all the activity that's in the biochar. So that's what you're really looking for, is that activation of the biochar. As you can see, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, hopefully it is, but that's the fungi. I mean, it is throughout, and that's what you're really looking for with your active biochar. So and that's my ingredients are pretty much all dry. This has a good moisture content, as you can see, so it actually stays alive. I've been selling a lot of this stuff. It's our season right now. It's garden season. Excuse me. And I have been using a lot of this in the garden and things like that. And that's what you're looking for. So it's not going to be a long video. I just wanted to show this. And another reason why I wanted to show it, because I have some orders to fill for this active biochar, and you won't see it again. Now this is the prize. That is active biochar. Look at that. I hope the camera is really picking that up, but you can see the fungi all on top of this. Just look at it. Digging down, you still see it. So this is what you really are looking for when you do your biochar. That looks really good. So, and mine is a dry one. I use alfalfa meal, kelp meal. I use crab meal. I put in alpaca manure in it. The worm castings, which I make my own. And for the sugar, I actually add in the flour, white flour. You can use wheat flour, but that stuff looks good. And that's what you're really looking for. This is my chunky biochar. So, and that's what you're really looking for. And it actually comes out good. So, once again, this is New Era Gardener. Just wanted to make a quick video just to show you what active biochar should look like. And it doesn't always look like that, and don't just take that. This particular bucket has probably been sitting for about a month. So it grew a lot on top. It hasn't been opened, so it really had the opportunity to grow and multiply. So I tried to do 2 5-gallon buckets at a time. I made some fine yesterday, and throughout the week I'll make some more of this because most of this is going to a couple of orders. So all right guys, so that's what we're looking for. Active biochar. All right, thanks for watching the video. It's just a quick one. I appreciate you. I'll be back with some videos. Thanks. Appreciate it.